Let's get cooking good looking, delicious recipes is our secret hooking. We are using 2 pounds of boneless and skinless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces. Season the chicken with dry thyme, Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, adobo seasoning, a pinch of cayenne pepper, minced garlic, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper, both to taste. Toss the chicken in the seasonings and let it marinate for a few minutes, at least 30 minutes. Get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Now in a large pot or a Dutch oven over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add a mirepoix to the pot. The mirepoix consists of 2 carrots, 2 celery stacks, and 1 onion, all diced. Saute the vegetables for a few minutes until the onion becomes translucent. As you are sauteing the vegetables, add a pinch of kosher salt. The salt will bring out the natural sweetness of the vegetables plus enhance their flavor. The salt also helps remove excess moisture from the vegetables, and every layer of this soup will be bursting with flavor. Add the diced chicken to the pot and saute until no longer pink. Then add 8 cups of chicken broth. I am using regular chicken broth, but feel free to use low sodium chicken broth. Add 2 bay leaves and bring the soup to a simmer. Continue simmering for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the vegetables are nice and soft. Meanwhile, while the soup is simmering, we need the zest of 1 full lemon plus the juice of that lemon. Now add 1 cup of orzo pasta and cook until al dente. Cook the orzo as per the directions on the packaging. At this point, feel free to taste the soup and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. Also taste the orzo and make sure that it has been cooked through. It's time for the lemon infusion. Add the zest and the juice of the lemon. Then turn the heat off and remove the bay leaves. And to finish it off, you may garnish with fresh parsley. Give that a quick stir and serve. Right before serving, I like skimming off some excess oil from the top layer of the soup. This lemon chicken orzo soup is a comforting and flavorful dish, perfect for any time of the year. Feel free to customize it by adding more vegetables or changing the seasonings to your liking. Enjoy the comfort in every spoonful. And there you have it, a lemon chicken orzo soup. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye. Yeah.